Hey, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor here with Daniel's son. We're servicing we're doing driveline fluids on this 20 Subaru Legacy. And it's a 55,000 mile car. We're just normal driven, not abused, not misused, just normal stuff. If color counts, then I think what you're going to see sort of signifies here's why we change fluids. Go ahead, Danny, take your finger out of the hole. Looks kind of dark to me. It's the stuff that's going in is clear, so it's definitely seen some heat, and more came out. We thought we'd do this video at the last minute. So, there is value in doing fluids. There is value in taking care of driveline. If it's wet in that 50 to 60,000 mile range, good time to start thinking about driveline fluids and changing things, because you're going to get longevity out of it. So I just thought you'd like to see an example. This is, it's not the worst, it's not the best. It's clearly due. If color counts, if color's going to count for something, then by all means, start changing and thinking about those fluids in the 50 to 60,000 mile range. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor here with Danny. We'll see you guys on radio. Be good.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again? Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.